You already know how to say what you're doing right now. You just do not know that you know it. Let me prove it to you. Class is in session. I am plus the verb plus ing. This is the present continuous tense. It shows what is happening right now in the moment. Okay? I am the verb plus ing. If you watched the previous video, you know that a verb is basically an action. Let me give you a simple definition of a verb. A verb is an action word or a doing word. So anything that involves action, anything that involves doing, like eat, run, dance, fight, speak, is performing an action. That is a verb. So if you want to say what you're doing right now in this moment, you need I am with the verb plus ing. You add ing at the end of the verb. So that is the whole thing. Okay? Now let me decode it slowly for you. I am eating. I am eating. Notice how I stress the in. You lift it slightly. I am eating. I'm eating. So that is how you show what you're doing right now. Someone asks you, what are you doing? I am eating. Don't just sit there, say it with me. I am eating. Good. Now let's build some sentences together. Are you ready? I am eating rice. I am eating rice. I am sitting at my desk. I am sitting at my desk. Okay. Next one. I am learning English right now. I am learning English right now. I am learning English right now. Notice how the formula stays the same? It's always the same thing. Let's go back. It's always the I am plus the verb plus ing. Now, let me show you how natural speakers say it. In real conversations, I am becomes I am. The A disappears completely. It's replaced by this over here. I am. I'm eating rice. I'm eating rice. So you don't pronounce, in this case the A is silent. So it's I am, instead of I am, it's I. I'm sitting at my desk. I'm learning English right now. Same sentence, more natural. That's what you want. Want to sound natural? You contract the I am. This part of English is called contractions. So you contract this into this. You shorten it. I am. Now, let's practice it together. I'm eating. I'm learning. I'm speaking. I'm getting better every day. Now, don't just say this and forget about it. Practice it loudly every single day. And for these phrases or sentences, anyway, try to form conversations around them. Look around you. What are you doing right now? What is happening right now? Think about it and try to build a sentence using I am plus the verb plus ing. And say them out loud. Also comment them down below in the comment section, and I will read everyone you write. You can send as many as you want. It's a nice way to practice, and I will correct you if you make a mistake. Whatever you said, that is present tense English, and you just said it naturally. In the next video, we'll talk about how to say what happened in the past, how to explain a past story or something you did in the past. If it's already on my channel, I'll put it somewhere around here. If it's not, so make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell so you can be notified when I drop it. And don't forget to drop your sentences down below in the comment section. And hey, don't just close this video and forget about it. I want you to rewatch it and practice the sentence that you came up with. Keep practicing it out loud, say it out loud throughout the day, and also try to form more sentences using the formula I taught you in this video. Okay?